Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Gumroad account. If you've decided that you no longer need your Gumroad account, this process is fairly quick, but it's important to move carefully since account deletion is usually permanent. We'll walk through exactly where to go and what to click so you can complete it smoothly. Start by going to Gumroad and signing into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile. Next, look to the lower left area of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you can access additional options related to your profile and platform settings. If the menu doesn't appear right away, give it a second and make sure you've clicked directly on the profile area. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Gumroad keeps the main controls for your account, including personal preferences, account details, and more advanced options. After the settings page opens, look for the Advanced section and click on it. Once you're in Advanced Settings, scroll down through the page until you find the section labeled Danger Zone. This area usually contains actions that make major changes to your account, so it's a good idea to read carefully before clicking anything. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct option. When you see the option that says Delete your Gumroad account, click on it. This will begin the account deletion process. Gumroad may present a final confirmation prompt to make sure you truly want to continue, which is standard for actions like this. To finish, click Yes, delete my account. This confirms your decision and completes the deletion request. After this step, your account should be removed according to Gumroad's process. Before you do this, it may be helpful to make sure you've already saved any important information, downloads, or records you might need later, because once an account is deleted, access may no longer be available. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Gumroad account. If you're following along on your own screen, just pause as needed between each part so you can complete every step at a comfortable pace.